can organizations ensure HIPAA compliance when they're implementing new systems and data collection platforms?
Yeah, it's a really good question that a lot of our customers and prospects ask us. And the answer is before even implementing, we're talking about implementing, a software that is HIPAA compliant. Prior to that, in the sales process, it should all happen there. You should find out before you even move forward with any software or data platform, whether they're HIPAA compliant. And for example, when somebody is interested in coming to FormAssembly, we are doing many things with that customer to support them in terms of completing security assessments, to having calls with their security team, also providing a business associate agreement saying on paper we are HIPAA compliant. So all of this should happen prior to even implementing it. So you feel confident and you're ensured that when you move to the next phase, you are solid on that front.